This is called Fattosh, popular in Arab country. This is so delicious salad called Fattosh. This is all the things that I need it for our making salad, called it Fattosh be in Arabic. This is originated from Arabic country, Fattosh. Okay guys, I want to show you what the things I needed. First, this is the tomato. I chop it already. This is a lettuce. I will chop also. This is a cucumber. This is a mint. This is onion green. Of course, we need lemon, oil, and this is called in the Arabic is bakle. Let's start chopping all the vegetables that we need it with our Fattosh salad. We need it in the toppings to put top of our Fattosh salad. So now, let's start to put all the vegetable that I chopped in a big bowl so that I can easily mix it together. And after that, we need to put the dressing like the olive oil, lemon juice, black pepper, sumac. This is to get the better taste for our Fattosh salad. This is black pepper ground. This is sumac. This is salt, lemon, and oil. This is our dressing in our Fattosh salad. So let's put in the vegetable, combine it together, guys. Let's start to put it. First, mix it well to get the better taste. So now, this is our Fattosh. It's ready to serve and to eat.